So I'm starting on the west side of the building side up above, and this old shed was used by the kids and grandkids when they stayed up there. Sangre de Cristo mountain range is off in the distance, and I'll show you another picture of that through those trees when we get closer over to that area. Real pretty views. This site right here isn't all that pretty, but it's flat, and it was flattened out by the people that owned it for use of their two RVs that they kept up there. And I always kind of envisioned maybe putting a barndominium or an architectural garage or barn maybe out in that open area, and then as we move down a little bit further, I'll show you where I would probably build. This is looking over the edge of the building site down the valley, and at the very bottom of that valley is the north side of this lot. And now we're swinging around past Fisher's Peak and headed east, southeast. This is a little lean-to that used to be attached to the RV they had sitting right there. And the septic field is just beyond that, and I'm guessing that it wouldn't be adequate for a 4-bedroom home. It'd probably need to be reworked, but at least there's the basis for that in there already. This would be the building site, I think, just right in this general area because there's beautiful trees and great views. We're looking south toward Raton Pass there, swinging back around to the direct south and back over to the west as we walk in this direction. So the main part of this other lot, since we're standing right in the middle of the two, it goes over this ridge and down toward that area I told you before that has the meadow down below. And as we pan across here, you're going to see Cottonwood Canyon Road, which intersects with Hiddenwood Lane, and this property goes down to Hiddenwood Lane down below. And right there is I-25, and Raton Pass is just beyond that, so that ridge is New Mexico, the far ridge that you're looking at. So we'll swing around here a little bit and get a sense of walking down toward the west side of this building envelope. Here's one of the gas propane tanks. The other one we just passed it. Again, there's Cottonwood Canyon Road right there that we're looking at, and you can see it curves around here. So this lot goes all the way down to approximately where that road is. And again, to the west. There's, I think, 4 hydrants here. There is a cistern down there by where my sign is located, if you can see that down there. So the water comes in, and then it could also go to the cistern. And again, this is the west side of the building envelope. So I'm starting over maybe 75 yards from where I was standing before, so you can get an idea of the western view. That's to the north. This is a really nice building site up here. A guy could even put a architectural barn of some kind beyond the house, or the house and then the barn and then the house, either way. There's a good flat area up here.